Hello, I'm Ryan Williams.
And I'm Harrison Holzer.
And today we are going to be showing you the inside of the brain. This is the outside of the brain, the frontal lobe, back side of the brain. This is the inside. Okay, first thing we're going to be showing you is the medulla, right down here, right there.
Number 1, the medulla. The medulla controls breathing, digestion, and sneezing.
Number 2, right there. Number 2 is the thalamus.
The thalamus is the portion of the lower brain that functions primarily as a central relay function for incoming and outgoing messages from the brain to the body and the body to the brain.
Well, the numbers are backwards. Number 3, the cerebellum.
Yep.
Right there.
And the cerebellum is the part that processes input from other areas of the brain, spinal cord, and sensory receptors to provide precise timing for coordination.
Number 4, the hippocampus.
Yep. And the hippocampus influences making long-term memories. Yeah, right.
Number 5, also known as reticular formation.
And that focuses on regulating the sleep-wake cycle, discriminating stimuli between background stimuli. Yep.
Number 6, the pituitary gland.
And that secretes hormones that help growth, blood pressure, pregnancy, and temperature regulation.
Number 7, the corpus callosum.
Yep. And that is a large number of nerve fibers that transfer information from one half of the brain to another.
Next we have number 8. Very close to the hippocampus, we have the amygdala.
And the amygdala influences aggression and fear. Yep.
Last but certainly not least, right here, we have the hypothalamus.
And the hypothalamus regulates basic needs and emotions. And that is all the parts of the inside brain.
It certainly is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Hi, I'm Ryan Williams.
And I'm Harrison Holzer.
And this is our brain. It's divided into the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. First thing is the optical lobe, right there, number 10.
Yep. The occipital lobe interprets visual information.
And then next, right here, number 11, we have the temporal lobe.
And the temporal lobe focuses is the hearing part and some speech of the brain.
And then number 12, right here, get there, we have the parietal lobe.
Yep. And the parietal lobe registers and provides sensation and navigation.
Then, number 13, right here, we have the frontal lobe.
And the frontal lobe is the thinking part of the brain.
Number 14, right here, is called the motor cortex.
And the motor cortex focuses planning, control, and execution of voluntary movements.
Number 15, right up here, we have the sensory cortex.
And the sensory cortex comprises the receptors and processing centers to produce touch, temperature, and pain.
And these are the external sites of the brain.
Thank you very much.